Hello, my name's Danielle, and as part of our wellness series, I'm going to be speaking to you today about meditation. Now, when I say meditation, do you immediately think of sitting cross-legged on a floor with your fingers clasped and chanting Om? Well, that is one way of meditating, but it's not the only way. And in fact, getting out for a walk, simply going for a walk, is a beautiful way of practicing moving meditation. Ideally, when you're going out, you want to be alone, not listening to music, not being distracted, not making a video, and taking in your surroundings, really listening, smelling, looking at what's going on around you, and being mindful of where you are. This will help regulate your nervous system, it will help calm your brain down, and it will really you'll find that you'll be nice and relaxed after it, hopefully. So I'm going to stop making this video now and start my moving meditation. I advise you all to get something warm on, wrap up nice because it's a little chilly out there, and just get out for a walk, see what happens.